Today I'm going to try to repot some plants before it starts raining, and I think it's kind of raining on me a little bit. Um, but I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to do this. And first of all, I already got my pot. I got my pot from just the dollar store, and it wasn't but $10. I think it's a real beautiful pot. Um, and then I got these little plants here. That I'm going to repot them this morning. Okay, so first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to move these out the way a little bit. My husband already got my grill set up, so I'm gonna try to drill this, y'all. Okay, I'm not real good with drills, so if I ain't doing it right, you know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to, this come with no holes in it, so I'm gonna put like about 5 holes in it for my water to drain um, after I plant them. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and, he already got me set up here. Try to not to hurt myself. Here we go. So I'm gonna put about 5 in there. Okay, I might put just an extra one. Okay, so that worked. And I don't know what size tip this is. I don't know, my husband knows. But it's just whatever size that you want your hole to be. 1/4. This is a 1/4. So I got my holes in there. Y'all can see it. So my husband's throwing me something at me here. he, he got my scissors. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to do this real fast, y'all, so the rain won't get me. And this is seed, a star green for flowers. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some in. I really have grown out the pot, so I said I think I need time for me to repot them. So I got it filled up pretty much. Let me show y'all. I got it filled because it's a pretty big pot, because I want it to be big because the root's gonna grow down kind of long. So let me put my grill over here. I already got my salt in. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna kind of flip it because you want it to stay intact. Don't move nothing. Just let it stay intact. And I'm gonna go ahead and put both of them in because this pot is big enough for both. And I'm gonna give y'all some close-up shots when I get done. Okay, so I have put soil up against it real so it can set up more because it wants to fall. So I'm gonna have to add more soil to keep them up. I'm not sure what kind of plants are these. Oh, these are alvaro plants, my husband just told me. Okay. Now that looks pretty good. Video, I hope y'all got some ideas. And yeah, so if you hadn't already subscribed, please do. We would love to have you in our family. Um, and like I said, I will be redecorating my patio. And this is just the first step. And now I'm going to go before it starts raining. Y'all have a blessed and have a safe and prosperous day. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.